Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem that looks tricky, but when we'll solve this, it become very easy and simple. We have root 100 divided by 10 minus root 99. So we will solve this by the process of rationalization. 100 divided by 10 minus root 99. Multiply this by 10 plus root 99 and divided this by 10 plus root 99. So this will become equals 100 into 10 plus root 99, and in the denominator we will apply the formula of a minus b into a plus b means 10 square minus root 99 square, that equals 100 into 10 plus root 99 and divided this by 10 square, that is 100, minus this square is cancelled out by this square root, so we have 99. So 100 minus 99 will be 1. So we have 100 into 10 plus root 99. Now we know that 100 can be written as 10 square into 10 plus root 99. So this square is cancelled out by this square root. So we have 10 into root 10 plus root 99. Now in the next step, we will make this formula as equals, multiply and divided this by 1. 1 is taken as common, remaining is 10 plus root 99. Now in place of 1, we will apply 2 by 2. So 10 is taken as common. 1 can be written as 2 by 2 into 10 plus root 99. Now 2 is multiplied inside and we get equals 2 is multiplied, so 20 plus 2 root 99. So, and whole of this is divided by root 2. Now, we will write 20 as 11 plus 9, because 11 into 9 is 99 plus 2 root 99 divided by root 2. Now in the next step, we will write 11 as root 11 square and 9 as root 9 square. Then plus 2 into root 9 into root 11, because 99 can be write this as into root 2. Now 10 into, this will become 11 plus 9 whole square and divided by root 2. This square is cancelled out by this square root. So we have 10 root 11 plus root 9 divided by 2. Now we will make the rationalization of this, multiply and divide by root 2. So this will become 10 into root 11 and root 9 can be write as 3 and root 2 divided by root 2 square. In the next step, this square is cancelled out by this square root. and we have 10 into root 2 into root 11 plus 3 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So we get 5 root 2 into root 11 plus 3. Now multiply inside the bracket. So we have 5 into root of 22 plus root of 18, because 3 can be write as root 9. So after this we will write the final answer, that equals 5 root 22 plus 5 root 18. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.